This is an awesome setup of Raspberry Pi 5 running HyprLand Desktop. HyprLand is a Wayland compositor based on WL roots that offers smooth animations, dynamic tiling, and straightforward configuration. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install HyprLand on top of Ubuntu running on Raspberry Pi 5. The first things first, make sure you have a fresh copy of the latest Ubuntu installed on your Raspberry Pi 5. I have made a dedicated video on installing Ubuntu on Raspberry Pi 5. Check the video link in the description for more information. Now, as you can see, I'm running the latest Ubuntu 23.10 from the SD card. This card is only compatible with non-LTS releases, so make sure you're using the latest version. Now open the terminal and update your system by running this command. Once it's done, run this command to reboot the system. Now after the reboot, open the terminal and use the nano text editor to modify the apt source list. Uncomment any line by removing the hashtag starting with the deb-src to enable package sourcing. Now once it's done, save the changes by pressing Ctrl+O and Ctrl+X to exit the text editor. Then run this command to update the source list. Now it's time to set up a pre-configured HyprLand environment using an installer script created by the Maverick developer. Visit the GitHub page to learn more about the setup. I recommend going through and reading the developer instructions to fully understand how HyprLand works on Debian and Ubuntu. After reading through the page, copy this code and paste it inside the terminal. Upon running the script, you will be prompted with some questions. Type Y to proceed with the HyprLand setup. Follow the instructions precisely. Type N for no for NVIDIA GPU. Go ahead and install GTK themes, configure Bluetooth, and install Tuner File Manager. Since Ubuntu comes with GNOME Display Manager, we don't need to install Simple Display Manager. Type N for no. When you see this option to install XDG desktop support, choose N for no. If you want to install Z Shell, type Y. You can install NWG Look but takes some time to install. I'm going to choose N for no. For Asus ROG laptops, type N for no. And lastly, it's recommended to install HyprLand.files. Now the installer will do its magic and will take some time. Be patient and respond to the prompts requesting your authentication. The setup may take some time depending on the speed of your internet connection and your Raspberry Pi processing speed. And that's it. Type Y to reboot your computer. On the login screen, click on the username, then click on the settings gear icon at the bottom right and choose HyprLand. You can switch between GNOME and HyprLand using the GNOME Login Manager. Enter the password and voila, we are within the HyprLand environment. Now, this is the most powerful HyprLand configuration you have ever experienced. The developer offers you the flexibility to modify the system, Waybar layout, wallpapers, and more. To see the list of HyprLand key bindings, you can press Super plus H on your keyboard. To open the terminal, press Super to bring up the app launcher and find all the installed applications. Choose Terminal and open it. To quit any program, you can press Super plus Q. Now to change the desktop wallpaper, press Super plus W to bring up the wallpaper window. You can see the list of default wallpapers. Using the arrow keys on your keyboard, you can scroll through them. Once you have selected the wallpaper, press the return key to apply it. For some reason, this is not working for me. I tried configuring PyWall but had no luck. When it comes to customizing the Waybar, it's straightforward. Pressing Ctrl plus Super plus B on your keyboard lets you choose the Waybar style. You can choose any style from here and press Enter to apply it. Also, pressing Super plus Alt plus B on your keyboard lets you choose the Waybar layout. You can always edit the HyprLand configuration files by pressing Super plus E. Now, as you can see, all the configuration files are neatly organized. Overall, I would say Ubuntu with HyprLand running on Raspberry Pi 5 looks beautiful and offers the best desktop experience. It uses fewer system resources and runs much smoother than GNOME or KDE Plasma. And that's pretty much it. This is how you can install HyprLand on top of Ubuntu running on Raspberry Pi 5. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. This has been KSK Ryle. I will see you in the next one.